Little Raindrops. Enjoy the poem. Do you like rainy days? Have you ever enjoyed getting wet when it rains? Raindrops, raindrops falling all around. Pitter patter on the rooftops, pitter patter on the grounds. Here is my umbrella, it will keep me dry. Where I go walking in the rain, I hold it up so high. Grammatical structure. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. This means that it is describing a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. For example, 1. I saw a blue butterfly. 2. This is a sweet mango. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences.